Number 3 is a function operation question. It gives you a function h and a function g, and then it wants you to find h minus g of 2. So there's two methods to do this. Method 1 is to subtract the two functions first, and then substitute 2 in for x. And the second method would be to solve h, or substitute in first the 2 to h and then the 2 to g, and then subtract. So it doesn't really matter. A lot of times the functions could be complicated to add them or subtract them or whatever, and so you may want to just do the second method, but we'll do both. So here's what I mean. H minus g would be h, which is x cubed plus x squared, minus g, which is 4x minus 1. Now notice I use the parentheses so you don't forget to subtract the entire thing. So when you simplify it, it becomes x cubed plus x squared minus 4x plus 1. So then you would just use at x equals 2, you would use 2 for x. So you would get 8 plus 4, minus 8 plus 1. So you get 5. Method 2 would be h of 2, which is 8 plus 4, and you get 12, and g of 2, which is 8 minus 1, or 7, and then subtract them because it wants h minus g, would be 5. So this method is kind of clean to set up. It works when you have a number. It doesn't work so well when you have a function that you're putting into the function. All right, let me go on to number 4. So method 1 for this problem, we would put f over g. So we would put x cubed plus 2x over x plus 3. And you can't simplify that. I mean, you could factor an x out, but it doesn't help you. So we're just putting 1 in. So at x equals 1, this would be 1 plus 2 over 4, or 3/4. Method 2, you would find f of 1, which is equal to 1 plus 2, and g of 1, which is equal to 1 plus 3, or 4, and so f over g of 1 is 3/4. So that was numbers 3 and 4.